Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you're going to see how to delete Facebook activity log. It's actually a pretty easy thing. So let's head over to our Facebook application first. Once you're there, make sure that you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three lines icon on the top right. From here, you have to head over to the settings and navigate it from the settings icon on the top right. And here scroll down and you will find the option of activity log under your activity section. And here you have to go or head over to your Facebook activity. And in here you can just navigate to any place. So let's just head over to the comments and reactions. I'm heading over to likes and reactions. So as you can see, these are the posts I have liked through or via this account. So if I want to delete it, I can just select all of them by tapping on all, and there will be an option of delete or remove. Tap on remove and it will be removed. And there is several options in here of posts, activity you are tagged in, saved items, messages, etc. So you can just head over to each one of them and then just delete the Facebook activity log. So yeah, this is how easy it is to do that. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.